Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Yeah, so far we haven't called a low in place, and we are now getting, however, to the point where I think reversals are getting more and more likely. So far in the last few days and weeks, we've been waiting here for lower prices in this wave 2 correction after a potential wave 1 rally occurred between the 10th of June and the 3rd of July. We can count 5 waves up, again only in a diagonal structure, so it's not completely reliable. However, the move down looks nicely corrective. From that point of view, I'm currently observing the potential signal here that a turnaround could occur at any point. It's too early to confirm that, but we have a nice rejection candle down here. It was bought up just below the 50% FIB level. Price adhered and respected, or it adhered to the trend line and respected the trend line of this descending wedge pattern. And we're just waiting now for a signal, potentially a breakout to the upside of the wedge pattern. These descending wedges often do break to the downside, to the upside. But of course, without a break of the trend line, I can't confirm that. And as you can see, there is still enough space in this wedge pattern to even get to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, which is at 474. So I highlighted over the last few days that I'm watching the 491 level as next target and next area of support. Here, as you can see, price reacted to it. And I think now it's just about waiting and seeing if the market can turn around here. If it's turning around, this would be an ideal spot. And a break above the trend line, a sustained break, would be a great signal that a third wave rally might start. Then we obviously have several layers of confirmation. A break above the wave 4 high at 522 would increase the probabilities. A break above 535 would increase the probabilities. And then a very important level is the B wave high. Here, the end of this Elliott wave triangle. The B wave acted as a triangle or finished as a triangle, which is at 550. So all of these levels eventually need to be taken out. Or what we've seen here at the moment, it's not reliable yet. Okay, it's a bit too early, but just want to highlight we've reached the next support area, reacted to it, and it's the time to be watching this. Again, if it needs another wave down, if it needs to extend the correction, which it certainly could, then 474 is the next support, and then 450. Below 450, however, the white wave count would play out, which would indicate another low in this overall bear market correction. Basically what we're doing, we're exploring the possibility if the bear market finished here on the 10th of June, because this was a new bear market low. So watching for that, because the move up was a 5-wave move, not a super reliable one. So it's not an impulse, but a diagonal, which we can work with. And then here a potential ABC correction, and the C wave has reached what it needs to reach. So we can also use the Fibonacci extensions to get an idea of where other areas of support are sitting. So here, and you can see it reached the 1-to-1 ratio at 485. So it's the perfect, it's a perfect spot to turn around. But yeah, this is all I can tell you at the moment. So we're watching here for completion of this descending wedge. In these descending wedges, you often also see bullish divergences on the indicators. Here, this is the 4-hour chart. You see a bullish divergence already. I think it's on the RSI. I saw that yesterday. Let's see. Yeah, between this swing low and this swing low, but a higher low on the RSI. So that's all looking good so far. The MACD as well. Pushing higher in a bullish divergence. But yeah, it's obviously a very, very early days here in a potential turning spot. So yeah, but it's done what it needs to do. It's reached perfect FIB extension targets as well as the retracement targets, and it's showing a divergence. I mean, literally, it's all set up. So all we need to see now is that the bulls are showing up. So naturally, as long as we have no 5-wave move to the upside, I have to expect continuation in the current pattern, as long as we don't have a breakout as well. And disregard the micro count here. I mean, this is an ending diagonal, okay, the C wave. So this can always extend out. So this is obviously, it shows that the potential is there, that this completed, but without a clear completion, which means a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down. I can't confirm that the turnaround is happening. This can easily extend out, as I said. So nothing stopping the 3rd wave to be here, a 4th wave to be here, and a 5th wave here. so disregard the micro counts. They are typically not so reliable, especially not in an ending diagonal, but it shows that the minimum requirements are fulfilled. There's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.